Alone amidst a fierce blizzard high in the mountains, this girl must quickly construct a stone hut to survive the harsh winter weather. Amidst the heavy snowfall and relentless cold winds sweeping across the mountainside, she utilizes rocks and readily available materials to gradually build a shelter that provides adequate wind protection and retains warmth in the freezing temperatures. As the shelter nears completion, she builds a fire, maintaining warmth and striving to survive using primitive winter survival skills in the wilderness. Throughout the stormy night, the howling wind, the sound of falling snow, and the biting cold permeate the forest, making the entire journey feel like a true battle for survival in the harsh mountain winter.